Happy holidays, guys, and welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. My name is Natasha, and this week I am finally doing a Christmas makeup. It is a baby Jack and a baby Grinch. Now, I saw a t-shirt on Instagram, and I thought it was really cute. This is what inspired this makeup. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup, just keep watching. Hey guys, here is the Instagram photo that I am using as a reference. It was on my feed, and I'm going to do a smash up of our baby Jack and our baby Grinch. And I'm basically using a white face paint to do a rough draft of their faces on my face. So now that I'm kind of done doing the rough draft, I'm going to go ahead and use this white face paint and paint Jack's side of the face. And of course, I'm not going to get in those areas like his eyes with that white face paint. And the white face paint is from Fab. And I'll put that name in my description box below. So for the other side, which is our Grinch's side, I'm using this really cool color from Mehron Paradise, and it is a lime color. And I really like this color. It's really bright and just, you know, a vibrant, pretty cool looking color. Hey guys, so it's coming to the end of the year, and I have to make a New Year's resolution for you guys. I'm going to promise, or no, let me take that away. I'm going to try my hardest, because I can't promise anything, but I'm going to try my best to do one makeup every 2 weeks. I cannot meet the goals that I was doing previously, which was one makeup every week, because now I have another business and I am trying my hardest to make it a successful business. But I really do love doing my face painting and my makeups, plus I do enjoy the editing. It's pretty fun. It does take me about a week, and then it takes me 2 to 4 hours for the makeup, so it does take a lot of my time. Now here I am doing the Grinch's eyes with some yellow from Mehron Paradise, and then Jack's eyes with black from Cameleon. For inside of the Grinch's eyes, I'm using red from Mehron, and then I'm using that same black for his eyebrows that I used for Jack's eyes. And earlier I used a dauber that I got from Walmart to make some circles for the eyes. With a thin brush and some black face paint, I'm going to do some detail work. I'm going to fix Jack's eyes and then do some outlining of the Grinch's eyes. That's one of my New Year's resolutions for the new year. If you guys have any New Year's resolutions that you would like to share, put them in the comments below. It would be pretty cool to hear what you guys have planned for the new year. And also baby Jack and baby Grinch need their noses, so I'm going to draw some noses for them, or paint some noses for them. I wanted their face to be a little bit more rounder, so earlier, if you could tell when I did the rough draft, their mouth was lower, so I just moved it up. So I'm painting the mouth on my nose, and then I'm just going to go up kind of almost like a V for both of them. And for Jack, I'm just going to add those lines that he has on his mouth. Because I put a Santa hat on, you won't be able to see the Grinch's hair, but he has some hair there, and I'm just going to go ahead and start outlining basically both of the characters with that same thin brush that I used earlier. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the lime green and the white to create their necks. Then with a dauber, I'm going to daub on some white around their necks. Then with another dauber, I'm going to use red and create Santa suit. Now I had to go change and put on my strapless dress because I wouldn't be able to create Santa's suit. So I just started outlining everything with black. And because the image that I got on Instagram did not have them in a Santa suit and actually had their bodies, you know, not together, not smashed up, I just had to come up with this on my own. So I basically tried to figure out how it would actually look, you know, the Grinch's side and Jack's side. So that's basically what I'm doing, and then I'm going to give them a belt with a buckle and then do their arms and their hands. You probably can't see too much how I did their hands, and you won't be able to see too much in the intro or the outro either. But I darkened out the negative spots after I got the Santa suit going and their arms. And that's basically it. I'm so happy that I had the chance to actually do Christmas makeup for you guys this year. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and, you know, be safe. And I'll see you guys basically next year. You guys have a great one. Thank you guys so much for sitting back and watching me do this cute little Jack and cute little Grinch makeup. If you enjoyed this makeup and you thought it was really cute, leave me a like if you want, and subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest and greatest of all my newest makeups. Now you guys have a wonderful and safe holiday, and I will see you guys on my next makeup.